Hi, my name is Muhammad Nihad, and the main question I wanted to answer in this project is how did the top 5 Formula One teams perform during the 2008 season, and how did their performance change from race to race? I wanted to see the full journey of each team, not just the final results. My hypothesis is that teams who score points consistently will show a stable or improving trend across the season. To explore this question, I selected 5 teams from the 2008 season. These teams gave a good mix of top teams and strong midfield teams, so we can clearly see different performance patterns. For this project, I used 3 tables: the constructor standings, the constructors table, and the races table. I filled everything to 2008 season so the analysis stays focused and clean. I also created a few simple measures to help summarize the season. The first one is the total points, which show how many points each team scored. The second one is average position, which shows how competitive each team was across all races. And the third one is improvement score, which compares early season results to late season results. These measures help highlight consistency and improvement. Now let me walk through the dashboard. The table shows each race with the team's cumulative points and cumulative position. The line chart shows how each team's position changed across all 18 rounds. And I have the bar chart that shows the improvement score for each team. And finally, I have KPI cards, key performance indicators cards. Gave a quick summary of total points and average position. Together, these visuals gave a full picture of the season. When we look at the visuals, we can see clear patterns. For example, Ferrari stays low and stable on the lane chart. This means they were consistently strong through the season. McLaren is very close to Ferrari, with a small ups and downs. This shows they were competitive in almost every race. We have BMW starts the season strong, but their lane raises a bit later. This means they lost some performance in the second half. These patterns help us understand how each team developed across the year. In conclusion, this dashboard gives a clear view of how the top 5 teams performed during the 2008 Formula One season. It shows consistency, improvement, and change in performance from race to race. This helps us understand not just the final results, but the full story of each team. Thank you for your watching.